When AI gets something wrong, everyone blames the AI. But here's the truth. Most of the time, it's not the AI's fault. It's the data. AI models don't think, they learn. And the only way they learn is from training data, massive collections of text, images, audio, whatever the AI is being built to understand. If you never showed it something, it doesn't know it exists. Now, more data usually means a better performance. A model that's seen 1 billion sentences understands language better than one that's seen 1,000. But here's where people get it wrong. Quantity isn't everything. Quality matters more. If your training data is full of errors, bias, or gaps, your AI will be too. Every single time. There's an old rule in computing. Garbage in, garbage out. Feed a model bad data, and you get bad results. No amount of clever engineering fixes a rotten foundation. Here's a real example. If you train an AI entirely on English text, news articles, books, websites, and then ask it a question in Spanish, it's going to struggle, or fail completely. Not because it's broken, but because it was never shown Spanish. It literally doesn't know what it doesn't know. So next time an AI gets something wrong, ask yourself, what was it trained on? Because the data is everything. It's the fuel, and you can't run on empty. I've been Daniel with Cadmus Lab, and thank you for tuning in for our AI Zero to Hero series, where we're breaking down AI one concept at a time. And if you got a question about AI, drop it in the comments. Have a great one.